Today we're going to talk about my wife's AR. I purchased this AR for her Valentine's Day about 15 years ago. She shoots a lot of it. I estimate she's up above 10 to 11,000 rounds. And I know this because she burned the barrel out. So on the bench there is her barrel she burned out. I'll get some bore scope of the damage from 10,000 rounds of AR. Her new barrel is an Aero Precision, but we also bought a backup barrel just in case they start banning parts here in California. So I'll make a quick video, show you the bore scope of her AR barrel she burned out. It's a 5.56 with a 1/8 twist. I'm not going to tell you the name of the barrel. I just want you to know that she got about 11,000 rounds out of it. And people don't believe how much she shoots, but I'll tell you, she shoots a lot. So I'll get you a quick video of the bore. You'll see how she burned out the gas port and the rifling, and there's some cracking or alligatoring in the barrels where it's cracking really bad. So I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Alright, you can see the bore scope has entered the chamber, and you can see all the fire cracking. The rifling is also worn out. I'm going to rotate the bore scope, and you can see some of the lands are there, some of the lands are missing. It's in pretty bad shape. So, okay, we're going to slowly rotate. There's also a carbon ring on the chamber that doesn't seem to want to come out. Right there you can see the rifling is worn out to the right there. It's pretty much in bad shape. So what we're going to do now is move over to the gas port and see what kind of erosion that has occurred in the gas port. Rifling is definitely pretty worn out. The throat's toast. Okay, here's the gas port. You can see it used to be a 360-degree circle. Now it looks like a pear shape. That white light is me laying a piece of paper over the hole to try to add more light. As you can see around 7 o'clock, if you use the mirror as a clock, you can see the metal in the hole has poured into the gas port. That looks almost like the metal got liquid as it poured in there. So the gas port's pretty much shot. So this barrel's toast. So we'll go ahead and enjoy the new barrel and head to the range. I'll get some footage of that.
And so, logged in his own charter account. And I was like, dude.
All right, he's got some good hits. So we got probably about a 10 knot crosswind coming to the left. Looks like about 90 degrees. So she's doing some pretty good wind doping.